Happy New Year, everyone. Hope you had a great start to the year. My name is Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and today, this is actually my first video for the new year. Today I wanted to show you, if you're anything like me, you came back from holiday and I had these massive, like this was about this long, massive marrow in the garden. And it always excites me. It's the first thing I do when I come back is to have a look at what's in my garden, and it was overflowing. But yeah, I had this massive marrow and have been stuffing it with, doing other ones, stuffing it with bacon and cheese, which has been beautiful. And I've been grilling slices and using it as a hamburger instead of a bun, which has been really, really nice. But today I've got a totally different way. So what I've done is I have sliced them into, I'll move forward, big chunky slices, and then using a spoon, I've scooped out, so they're not cooked, scooped out the flesh, and then I've actually chopped that up and used it in the filling. But so you want to, when you're doing this, getting out the flesh, leave a layer on the rim, and then also about ½ centimetre on the bottom, because also, so that just becomes your casing. And then I've made a nacho mixture here with mince, and it's got black beans in it. I've grated that flesh, put that into there. I've also got some corn, and so that recipe is actually out of my first Healthy Kids Lunchbox cookbook, the 21-Day Marvellous Lunchbox Makeover, and I've got a nacho mixture in there, and I always play around with it a little bit, but that's the basis. I put in whatever I've got, corn being seasonal, and so then I'm going to scoop this mixture into the casing and fill that up to the top, which I think is, I haven't actually tried this before, so you're getting it fresh, and put some grated cheese on the top, and I'll bake those in the oven for, I reckon, about 30 to 40 minutes, because you want the casing to cook at 180 degrees, and then you've got a beautiful, really, really super easy meal. And I'll serve it with a salad and some corn on the side. Now, my kids probably won't really, they wouldn't be eating this in the marrow, so I'm just going to give them nachos and put the cheese on the top. So it's a win-win. You've got one mixture, which I'll also have leftovers for tomorrow, and mum and dad are staying at the moment, actually, so this is our dinner, and then the kids are just going to have nachos. So that's a really, really nutritious, simple, easy way to use up your marrows, because I hate things going to waste in the fridge. But sometimes I just don't know what to do with these because they're so big. If the marrows are like really big and they've got seeds in them, then I'd take the seeds out. But if you are after a copy of my I've got 2 Healthy Lunchbox cookbooks. So it's got, they're primarily lunch boxes, but they've also got dinner ideas in them, so family dinners. So you can head to wickedwellbeing.com books and have a look at those. Otherwise, have an awesome rest of your day, and I will look forward to bringing you some more videos. I am committing to Thursday mornings, 9:30 a.m. It will be once the kids are back at school, because I find it really hard to I just have to work around them at the moment. So that's why I run my business. So I will be bringing you live videos throughout the next month, but probably a little bit more sporadic. So enjoy, and would love you to comment below if this is a new idea for you, or if it's something that you would like to do. Are you going to try? And let me know how it goes. See you later.